Before you pick up that wrench or open the hood, stop. Because one wrong DIY move could quietly destroy your car from the inside out. These are the 17 DIY mistakes that seem harmless. But they can absolutely wreck your car and your wallet. Let's get into it. Number 1. Using the wrong type of oil. You think oil is oil? Think again. Using the wrong viscosity or non-synthetic oil when your car demands synthetic can lead to poor lubrication, overheating, and long-term engine damage. Always check the owner's manual, or pay the price later. Number 2. Over-tightening bolts. DIYers often think tighter is better, but over-torquing can strip threads, crack engine components, or even shear bolts off entirely. Use a torque wrench and follow factory specs. Number 3. Jump starting without a surge protector. Jump starting is simple, right? Not exactly. A voltage surge can fry your car's ECU, one of the most expensive parts to replace. Use a surge-protected jumper or a jump starter with a smart system. Number 4. Mixing coolants. All antifreeze is not the same. Mixing different types like green and orange can create a sludge-like gel that clogs your radiator and ruins your cooling system. Stick to one type and flush properly when switching. Number 5. Disconnecting the battery improperly. Just yanking off the terminals? That can short your system or reset important settings. Always remove the negative terminal first, then the positive, and reconnect in reverse. Number 6. Ignoring torque specs on spark plugs. Hand-tightening spark plugs can either be too loose or too tight. Too loose causes misfires. Too tight can strip threads or crack the head. Use a torque wrench, always. Number 7. Refilling transmission fluid the wrong way. This one's deadly. Some cars require specific temperature ranges, and overfilling is just as bad as underfilling. Get it wrong and your transmission may fail prematurely. Number 8. Using dish soap to wash the car. It's easy, cheap, and terrible. Dish soap strips wax and dries out rubber seals, slowly degrading your car's finish. Always use pH-balanced car shampoo. Installing mismatched tires, different sizes or treads? Yeah, that's a bad idea. Mismatched tires affect traction, braking, and wear, especially in all-wheel drive cars where it can actually damage the drivetrain. So, always replace in sets or at least in axle pairs. Replacing brake pads without resurfacing rotors is another big mistake. New pads on worn rotors means uneven wear and honestly terrible braking. You might end up with brake shutter or premature pad failure. Always resurface or replace rotors when changing pads. Forgetting to bleed the brakes, air in the brake lines equals spongy, unreliable brakes. If you're not bleeding after a brake job, you're basically gambling with safety. Use a proper bleeding kit or a vacuum pump. It's super important. Using cheap diagnostic tools can really cost you. That $15 OBD2 scanner might miss critical hidden codes. Without accurate diagnostics, you could end up replacing the wrong parts and just wasting time and money. Seriously, invest in a quality scan tool or get a professional readout. Skipping a torque pattern on wheels, tightening lug nuts in a circle can actually warp the rotor. Always use a star pattern to apply even pressure. It's simple but crucial. Not cleaning battery terminals? Corrosion on terminals increases resistance, reduces voltage, and can cause starting problems. A simple brush cleaning can add years to your battery's life. No kidding. Failing to calibrate sensors after repairs is another one. Modern cars rely on sensors, and replacing parts like wheel speed sensors, steering, or throttle body often requires recalibration. Skip that, and your car may behave unpredictably. Installing LED or HID bulbs without converters. Plugging in aftermarket LEDs or HIDs without resistors or converters. That causes flickering, dash errors, or even electrical damage. Forgetting to reset maintenance systems. Changing oil or filters is great, but if you don't reset the maintenance system, the car thinks it's still overdue, and that can actually trigger limp mode in some models. Avoiding these 17 mistakes can literally save you thousands in repairs and keep your car running like new. So smash that like button if you've ever tried DIY fixes, and hit subscribe for more secrets that every driver should know. Your car deserves better. Drive smart.